Yumi です。
And this is Clay. We have another manga with, what's the name of it?
スーパー主婦月見さん。
Okay, so the super housewife Tsukimi-san.
月見さん。
Okay. And today's manga is?
夫婦げんか。
All right. Fufu means the husband and wife. Genka, fight. So it's a husband and wife fighting. And you can tell with manga, whenever they're angry, they have something on their cheeks. Look like a little X and...
チークとかね、こういうところに。
Yeah. So they're angry. And they're just, right now on the first panel, they're just saying bad words, I guess, to each other. Oh, so the fufu, remember that the first fu, it sounds like it's fu and fu, but it's fu-fu, fu-fu.
夫婦。
So the husband kanji is the longer one, so it's fufu genka.
はい。
Okay, next one.
で、奥さんが怒って物を投げ始めたのね。
And he has a shield, a cushion.
座布団で。
So the point with this one is she's throwing things at her husband and he's defending. All right, the next panel.
子供が怒って喧嘩なら外でやってよ。
So if you're gonna fight outside. Take this outside. So kenka just means fight or argument, and nara if you're going to do that. Soto de outside literally. So go outside at outside. Yatte. Yatte means do it.
Do it.
So do your kenka, do your fighting outside. Yo is emphatic or saying get out.
はい。
Go do it. And then the last one.
奥さんが雪の玉を投げてるんだけど他人の目、これ近所のおじいちゃんね。ほう、仲のいい夫婦だ。
So tanin means someone else, someone who's not part of the family, or just another person. And no me, so that to the eyes of another person, to the eyes of an outsider, ho just means something like oh. Nakagai. Nakagai means they're on good terms. They have a really good relationship because they're playing snow fighting. I mean, you know, that's something kind of a childish thing that a loving family would do to each other. It's not something that adults would do. Nakagai fufu da. So
喧嘩には見えないのね。
So I hope you enjoyed it. That was just a very, very quick one. And we'll get to another one very soon. Bye.
仲良くしてね。バイバイ。